Good morning student. Now today we will learn and write again I sound family words. Okay. Now open the notebook. In previous video we learned I family words. Now again we will write down I family words here. Write down here on the top I sound of words. 3-letter words. Now today we will revision of I family words. Write down ID id, IG ig, IN in, IP ip and ID it. Okay. Now here we will write down ID it words. Make 3-letter words. KID kid, LID lid. See the picture also, student. HID hid, RID rid. Okay. So this is ID it sound. Now it sound. PIG pig. See the picture also. FIG fig, BIG big, DIG dig, JIG jig, WIG wig. Now in sound, okay. BIN bin, TIN tin, PIN pin, WIN win, FIN fin. These are in sound words. Now ip sound, IP ip sound, LIP lip, SIP sip, ZIP zip, HIP hip, TIP tip. Now it sound. IT it sound. KIT kit, PIT pit, BIT bit, SIT sit, LIT lit, FIT fit and HIT hit. Now today we learn and wrote it, ig, in, ip, it. These are 2-letter words. We make 3-letter words. 2 letter से हमने 3 letter को बनाया है. One time again we will revise. KID kid, LID lid, HID hid, RID rid. These are id sound. Now ig sound. PIG pig, FIG fig, BIG big, DIG dig, JIG jig, WIG wig. These are ig sound. Now in sound we will make 3-letter word. BIN bin, TIN tin, PIN pin, WIN in, FIN fin. Now ip words. LIP lip, SIP sip, ZIP zip, HIP hip, TIP tip. Now it words. KIT kit, PIT pit, BIT bit, SIT sit, LIT lit, FIT fit, HIT hit. These are I sound family words. Okay student. So you also learn revision again and again. Learn the spelling. Writing should be properly and you have to write down 2 pages. 1 page here and another page here. Okay. Write down, click the photo and send on the group. We will meet next video. Till then, bye bye.